Hello! In this video, we'll talk about prepositions and prepositional phrases. Imagine you're in a park beside a large pond, and you see your friends playing on the other side of the pond. You feel sad you can't get across to join them. What can you do? Suddenly, you spot a bridge. A bridge can join two parts of land. It can help you get to your friends on the other side of the pond. A preposition is like a bridge for sentence parts. It can join parts of a sentence. A preposition helps a sentence tell where, when, and how. Let's see how prepositions work. Look at the sentence, "The butterfly is on the flower." Butterfly is a noun. On is the preposition. It begins the prepositional phrase that tells us where the butterfly is, on the flower. One way to identify common prepositions is to think about where something can go. Let's see where a chipmunk at the park can go. The chipmunk can climb up the tree, scamper down the hill, dig in the ground, wander around the mountain, play beside the pond. Not all prepositions answer the question where, but they still connect a noun or pronoun to the rest of the sentence. Now you understand and can recognize prepositions. You can use this new knowledge to improve your reading and writing.